As a kid, I always played Call of Duty and was in love with this series and the story. It was one of the first games I ever played as a kid. However, I just can't say that it plays the same. I noticed that in Call of Duty, there's a bunch of try-hard rushers who use the same guns and just play every game mode like it's team deathmatch. People are only like planting the bomb if they're the only ones left. They're screwed and that's their only hope. This, paired with the unrealistic skins and extra stuff, just makes it feel like more of an arcade-style game. That's when I went searching and found out about Insurgency Sandstorm. The guns act realistic. It also doesn't pop up how many points you got from your kill. It's simply more realistic, and I found out that running around like in Call of Duty will get you killed. This game's awesome because of the slower playstyle, and I was really surprised that I had never heard about it. Recently, I've had a lot of fun playing this game, except there's one problem. PS4 version is pretty buggy. The frame rate is super low, there's constant lagging to the point where you end up dying and times where you should have killed your enemy. There's also no setting for quality. So yeah, this game is really good for now. However, I'm going to invest into a gaming PC so that I can play the better optimized PC version, which really looks fun to play. Overall, it's a really great game and I like it better than COD right now. So here's some Insurgency clips. Stay right here in the fucking corner. Holy shit, I gotta run away. Fuck, got him. Alright guys, so we're gonna go one more time. Fuck, it's so crazy for. What the fuck? Oh, I got him! The thing about this game is that when you die, like, it takes time for you to, like, respawn, like... Got him! Oh! Woo! Damn! Shit, man. Rush, rush, rush. There we go. Dude, oh my god, so fucking slow. I am Commander. Woo, there we go. Got his bitch ass. That's how it's done, baby. Dude, oh my fuck. Oh shit. Throw that shit. No! How the fuck did he